Hey everyone, in today's quick guide, I'm going to show you how to add another user to your QuickBooks Online account. If you're bringing on a bookkeeper, an employee, or you just need someone else to manage things, this will walk you through it step by step. So first, go ahead and sign into your QuickBooks Online account using your email and password. Pretty simple. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner and click the gear icon. That little settings button. Yeah, that one. Now from this menu, choose Manage Users. It's under the Your Company section. This is where you control who gets access to what. Next, click the button that says Add User. QuickBooks will ask what type of access you want them to have, like standard, admin, or just time tracking. Pick whatever fits. After that, choose the exact permissions. You can let them see everything, or only certain parts of your books. Take a moment here. It's worth double checking. All right, now type in their name and their email address. QuickBooks will send them an invite automatically so they can accept and set up their login. And once you hit send, you'll see their name show up in your users list with a little invited tag. When they accept the email, that tag disappears and they're officially added. And that's really all there is to it. You've just added a brand new user to QuickBooks Online. Super quick, super simple. If you want to see more walkthroughs like this, yeah, just stick around for the next video.